Good morning, Center 2. Today we're going to be doing some mental math. What does mental math means? Well, it means that you're going to be calculating it mentally, which means you're going to be doing it in your head, inside your brain. Now remember, your brain is a super machine. It can do anything you want it to do. You just have to train it and practice. So we're going to practice adding in our brain. You will still need a book and a pencil just to help you to break it down a little bit, and then you're going to visualize it and complete it. So let's go ahead. When it comes to 28 plus 5, the easiest thing to do is call yourself the bigger number. The bigger number here is 28. So I'm going to call myself 28 and then use my fingers to add 5. So 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So my answer here is 33. Very easy, right? Let's take a look at this one. We have 35 plus 24. What we will do is break it down into tens and ones. So there are two tens here, 10, 20. So we're going to put that 20 over here by itself. And then we put the 4 by itself. So now this way it is easier to add. We're just going to look at it and we're going to add that 35 plus that 20. Well, 5 plus 0 is 5. And then 3 plus 2 is 5. So we know that 5 and 0 is 5. 3 and 2 is 5. So that's 55. So we call ourselves 55 and then we add 4. So let's say 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So that answer is 59. And just like that, we worked it out in our head. Let's look at that one more time. 24, we put the 20 over here, and we put the 4 over there. Then we're going to add the 35 plus the 20. So 5 and 0 is 5. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So that makes 55. So 55 plus 4. Call myself 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. And my answer is 59. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this one. This one should be pretty easy. What we're going to do is add the 2 plus the 0. Right? We start over with the ones half. So 2 plus 0 would be 2. So I'll put my little 2 here. And then 5 plus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a 9. So my answer is 92. Now these are different ways on how you can tackle it and add it in your head. You see how we just add those in your head without setting them up and adding them? So we're going to try to practice that today. So please take out your Math 3A practice book. Math 3A practice book. And we're going to be practicing mental math on pages. It's going to be more than one. We're going to do page 129 and page 130. So 129 and page 130. It already breaks it down for you on those pages. Well, on page 130. So try your best to do it in your head, right? Try your best to work it out in your head. Bye.